He's not going to let it carry on. I knew he was coming out at Zohair. Now then, has he got enough of this? Has he got enough? You bet he has. 50 partnership. 50 from 31. Make that 28. Oh, see, gone again. Wow. In again. He's already hit 35 from 1 over. He's now gone 28 from this over. Not the line. Has he got enough of it? Has he got enough? He has. Half century then for Tim David. He was 57 from 18. Guess what? Full toss. 32 sixes now. 6 sixes in this innings. Now then, has he got that for another one? Guess what he has? It's ridiculous. Every time. Six, first one, most sixes ever by any player in any season in the Abu Dhabi T10. Not there. Billings is just going to watch it and cutting straight over his head for another 6. Got it again. You bet he's got it again. 10 sixes in the innings so far. Oh, bowled that from about 28, but it doesn't matter. Bowl it from 28, 32, 38, wherever you want. 11. Has he got it? Has he got it? Has he got it? You bet he's got it. What an innings, Tim David. Equals the most sixes in an innings, 12 sixes. The partnership is 98 from 30.